What if I told you that some of Norway's most dramatic landscapes can be seen without hiking a single step? Welcome aboard the Lysefjord and Preikestolen Cruise, a journey through towering cliffs, hidden caves, and powerful waterfalls right in the heart of a fjord country, Norway. The adventure begins at Strandkaien in Stavanger, where we set sail and slowly leave the city behind. Within moments, the scenery transforms. Calm waters, fresh mountain air, and steep rock walls rising straight from the fjord. Our first highlight is Fantahala, also known as Vagabond's Cave. Fun fact, according to local legends, this cave was once used by outlaws and tax evaders as a hiding place. Imagine sneaking in here by boat hundreds of years ago. Definitely not your average cave. As we cruise further into Lysefjord, you really begin to understand why Norway is famous for its fjords. This fjord was carved by massive glaciers during the last ice age, leaving behind dramatic cliffs, narrow passages, and water so deep and still it feels almost unreal. Throughout the cruise, you'll hear interesting stories about the region. Spot mountain goats along the cliffs if you are lucky like us, and enjoy non-stop postcard worthy views, all from the comfort of the boat. Then comes the most iconic site of all, Preikestolen or Pulpit Rock. Rising 604 meters above the fjord, this flat-topped cliff looks almost unreal from below. Did you know Preikestolen has no safety rails at the top, yet more than 3 lakh people hike up every year. We had also planned the hike, but the weather was not on our side. Seeing it from the water gives you a whole new appreciation of just how massive it really is. Next, the boat takes us close to Hengjanefossen waterfall, one of the many waterfalls that feed the fjord. When snow melts from the surrounding mountains, these waterfalls come alive, and yes, the captain gets close enough for you to feel the refreshing spray, nature's free shower. After soaking in all this natural beauty, we slowly make our way back to Strandkaien with a camera roll full of memories and a whole new respect for Norway's wild landscapes. If Stavanger is on your travel list, make sure this cruise is on your itinerary. Would you choose the cruise or the hike to Preikestolen? Tell me in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and family friendly adventures. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.